Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage Siri on your earbuds Libratone TRACK Air Plus. You have to start by open the application and now click on your headphones here. Then go to the settings at the bottom and go to the top. Now decide you wanna use the left one or right one earbud. And you want to use double press or triple press. So I'm going to use the left one and double press. But if you wanna, let's say, right one, so click on just on the right one, and for the triple tap if you wanna use triple tap, or double tap if you wanna use double tap. Now click on the voice assistant and you can hide the application. So this touch area is located right here, and if I press 2 times on my left earbud, I should call a Siri. So 1, 2. And as you can see, Siri is awake. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.